In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping address on AliExpress. Whether you've moved, want to send a package to a different location, or just need to correct a typo, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can update your details with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to the official AliExpress website at aliexpress.com. Make sure you're on the correct site and that you're signed in. If you aren't already logged in, take a moment to sign in to your account so you can access your settings and saved information. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the page for the account area. Hover your mouse over account to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, click Shipping Address. This takes you to your address management page where you can view and control the addresses linked to your account. On the shipping address page, you'll see options to either edit an existing address or add a brand new one. If you want to fix or update details for an address you already use, maybe you changed apartments or need to correct the postal code, click Edit next to that address. If you're sending items to a new location for the first time, click Add New Address to create a fresh entry without altering your current one. Choosing Add New Address can be helpful if you occasionally ship to different places and want to keep them organized. Now it's time to update the details. Carefully fill in the fields for the recipient, street address, apartment or unit, city, state or region, and postal code. Double check everything for accuracy, especially the spelling of the street and the postal code, since even small errors can cause delivery delays. Use standard abbreviations where appropriate, avoid special characters, and include any building, floor, or suite information so couriers can find the exact location. If your address has multiple lines, keep the primary street address on the first line and any extra instructions on the second line if available. Take a moment to verify the country and region are correct before you continue. When you're satisfied that all the information is accurate, click Save. You should see your updated or newly added address appear in your list. If you changed an address you use frequently, review your list to ensure it looks correct. Keep in mind that updating your shipping address here applies to future orders. If you already placed an order with a different address, the change won't automatically update that shipment. In that situation, check your order details and reach out to the seller promptly to request a change if the package hasn't been shipped yet. That's all there is to it. You've successfully updated your shipping address on AliExpress, and you're ready for smooth deliveries on your next order.